Hello and welcome to our short video on how to measure and fit your new window blinds. Tools you require for measuring are a pencil and paper, and we always recommend using a steel tape measure. To measure the inside of a recess, always use a steel tape measure. Firstly, take a measurement at the top. And then take a measurement at the bottom. On measuring the recess, it's always important to take note of any obstruction, such as tiles, and then recording this as your smallest measurement. Next, take a measurement from both sides. If you are fitting your roller cassette blind inside the recess, you have the option of either face fixing to the window frame or top fixing. When top fixing any blind, ensure there is enough clearance and no obstruction so that your blinds can operate correctly. When fitting your brackets, measure 50mm in from each side. After fixing your end brackets, fix any other brackets at equidistant across the width of the window. Locate the front lip onto the brackets, pull forward and push up firmly. When fitting the single cord tidy, ensure the chain is taut before fixing to the wall. We recommend on all our cord and chain blinds using 2 easy break connectors and 1 cord tidy for child safety.